Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of Transformers with a focus on one of the most iconic characters from the Transformers, the movie Spike Witwicky. Specifically, we'll be reviewing the Studio Series Core Class Exosuit Spike Witwicky action figure, a must-have for any Transformers enthusiast. This Studio Series Core Class figure stands out as the best Spike Witwicky available in the market today. It's a 3.5-inch collectible action figure, meticulously designed to capture the essence of Spike's exosuit from the classic Transformers movie. Let's talk about what makes this figure so special. Firstly, it boasts vivid, movie-inspired details that really bring Spike's character to life. The figure is highly articulated, offering fantastic posability, which is crucial for recreating those epic battle scenes or dynamic poses. What's impressive about this figure is its dual-mode capability. You can seamlessly convert it from exosuit mode to ATV mode in just 11 steps. It's a perfect blend of complexity and accessibility, suitable for both kids and adult collectors alike. I particularly love the transparent dome helmet feature, which gives a clear view of Spike inside the exosuit. It's a small touch, but it adds a lot to the overall realism and appeal of the figure. Every detail counts, and this figure comes with 2 blast effects that you can attach to simulate action-packed battle scenes. It's all about enhancing the play experience and allowing for creative storytelling. Whether you're starting a Transformers collection or adding to an existing one, the Studio Series Core Class Exosuit Spike Witwicky is a must-have. It's part of a broader lineup that includes other iconic characters, offering plenty of opportunities for display and nostalgia. In conclusion, the Studio Series Core Class Exosuit Spike Witwicky action figure stands tall as the best representation of Spike in his exosuit form. With its detailed design, excellent articulation, and transformative capabilities, it's a standout piece for any Transformers fan. If you're looking to relive those memorable moments from the Transformers, the movie, this figure delivers on all fronts. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product analyses. Until next time, happy collecting!